Hello, my name is Andrea Courier, and this is my assignment 5 for EDL 680 on Open Badges. So Open Badges is an infrastructure that has a set standard for issuing and providing the issuer with recognition on achievements or skills that have been learned or completed. So the standard for open badging is set on these standards that are laid out here. The first is the issuer, who provides the information for the earner to then earn their badge. The criteria is then set through a URL, like a learning management system, and the evidence is then aligned with standards that are set by the issuer. The issuer then sets up tags or taxonomies based on what they would like the earner to learn or accomplish. So for teachers using those standards, it could look like the following. The issuer could be the teacher, the earner could be the student, the criteria would then be the LMS or the learning management system that is used or in place. The evidence could then be the Common Core state standards, and the taxonomy or tags could be a module or a unit that the teacher would like to instruct. This provides students with incentives and motivation to complete assignments and to complete them in a timely manner and to remain on task throughout the lesson. It can also provide motivation for them to continue to do well as they see their progress through these badges. So some key elements for administrators, again using those standards, the issuer could be the administrator, the earner could be the teacher, the criteria again would be the LMS, the evidence could be the teaching standards, and the taxonomy could be a professional development that administrators do need to provide to teachers. This again provides incentives and motivations for teachers to go to the PDs that are required. And it could also provide an online way of providing professional development. Oftentimes, professional development isn't scaffolded for teachers, and in this way, the badging system could scaffold the professional development. Some key elements for technologists, again, using those standards, the issuer would be the technologist, the earner could be the administration or the teacher, the criteria would be the LMS, and the evidence could be a scaffold of professional development. Oftentimes, when a technologist does come in for an in-service or for a PD, the technologist isn't necessarily scaffold the technology being taught, and the badging system could provide a scaffolding taxonomy for teachers who need more help to have that, and for more advanced teachers that do want to learn more about the technology, they could also do that through the badging system. So some key websites. One is the Mozilla Open Badging System. Here you can learn more about ways that a earner would earn the badge, how to issue the badge, and how the badges are displayed. Now the badges are typically displayed with a backpack that the earner would then have access to see all their badges, and I'll go ahead and show that to you a little bit later on. So I currently teach at Bonita Vista Middle School, and we do not have open badging system in place. However, we do have the infrastructure and the LMS that is needed to support open badges. So at Bonita Vista Middle, we do have iPads issued to all students, as well as the LMS Canvas, and I'm going to show you the interface right now and show you how easy it would be to have badges put in place with our current system. So with Canvas, you would go into your class. I will go into my ELD class. So this is the home page that I have set up. And on the side, you can see that you have access to My Badges. This right here connects right to Mozilla Open Badges, and students will then have their backpacks appear through Mozilla, and their backpacks do contain all their badges. Their badges can then be shared through social media should the earner want to share that out. The reason why I chose open badges to further research was because of the EDL 680 summer class that we took in the summer. I really liked how you earned all 3 badges in a specific way, and I felt like this badging system could really help my reluctant learners because it did motivate me, being a more willing learner than most, to get my assignments completed and to get them done in a timely manner, as well as have the material that I turn in be quality material. And this is my works cited page. Thank you for listening.